Hello, my name is Sean from the Global Life Settlement Exchange. We are the world's first free life settlement auction marketplace. Today I'm going to talk about how to sell your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider and avoid scams. Selling your life insurance policy through a life settlement provider can be a smart financial move if you no longer need the coverage or can no longer afford the premiums. However, it's important to be cautious and avoid scams when dealing with life settlement providers. Here are some tips to help you sell your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider and avoid scams. Before selling your life insurance policy, it's important to understand the process. Life settlement providers purchase life insurance policies from policyholders and then sell them to institutional investors. The provider pays the policyholder a lump sum of cash, which is typically less than the death benefit of the policy, but more than the cash surrender value. The provider then becomes the beneficiary of the policy and is responsible for paying the premiums. On top of that, it's important to do your research and choose a reputable life settlement provider. Look for providers that are licensed and regulated by state insurance departments. Check the provider's ratings and reviews with organizations like the Better Business Bureau and the National Association of Insurance Commissioners. It's also important to get multiple offers from different life settlement providers to compare the terms and conditions of the offers. This will help you determine which offer is the best for your situation. Be wary of providers that offer significantly higher or lower offers than other providers. Before signing a contract with a life settlement provider, make sure to read it carefully and understand all of the terms and conditions. Pay attention to the commission rate, which is the amount of money that the provider will keep as their fee. Make sure you understand what fees and charges are included in the offer, and whether there are any hidden fees. Lastly, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before selling your life insurance policy. A financial advisor can help you evaluate your options and make an informed decision. They can also help you understand the tax implications of selling your policy. Other than that, be wary of unsolicited offers from life settlement providers. Scammers often use high-pressure tactics to convince policyholders to sell their policies. If you receive an unsolicited offer, do your research and verify the legitimacy of the provider before accepting the offer. Finally, take note that life settlement fraud is a common scam that targets seniors. Fraudsters may pose as life settlement providers and offer inflated prices for policies. They may also try to obtain personal and financial information from policyholders. Be wary of any provider that asks for personal or financial information upfront. Global Life Settlement Exchange, your trusted partner. Consider listing your policy on our free, no-obligation auction marketplace so that buyers can compete for the best deal available depending on your particular circumstances. Global Life Settlement Exchange, GLSE, is a marketplace that specializes in life settlements. We have a thorough awareness of the market and assist policyholders in selling their insurance policies for the highest price possible through a transparent auction. The first free life settlement auction marketplace in the world, Global Life Settlement Exchange charges no fees to sellers. The process is simple, and there is zero fee and obligation to the seller. You just need to provide your policy details to us, and that's all you need to do. You will receive the highest offer from the market in a few weeks or so. Unlike traditional brokers, GLSE does not charge a fee for its services. This means sellers keep more of the money from the sale of their policy, which can be a significant sum. Even if you have already hired a broker, a seller like you can still acquire a second opinion. GLSE gives the seller complete control, allowing them to select the best offer without being constrained by middlemen, brokers, obligations, or fees. The traditional process of selling a life insurance policy involves working with brokers who have access to buyers. These buyers determine the value of the policy, leaving sellers with little control. However, with GLSE, sellers have complete control over the process. They can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, without any obligation or fee. This puts the power in the hands of the seller. Life settlement was predominantly a buyer market, where buyers determine the value of the policy. However, GLSE is shifting the balance of power to the seller. By providing an open and competitive marketplace, GLSE puts the seller in control of the process. The seller can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, ensuring that they receive the best possible value for their policy. In conclusion, Global Life Settlement Exchange is revolutionizing the life settlement market by increasing transparency and putting the power in the hands of the seller. With GLSEs, sellers can receive the highest possible offer for their policy, keep more of their money, and make an informed decision about whether to sell. Our zero-fee platform provides a no-obligation opportunity for sellers to explore their options, and the elimination of middlemen ensures that sellers receive the full value of their policy. GLSE is transforming the life settlement market, providing a fair and competitive platform for sellers to receive the value they deserve.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please hit the like and subscribe button to support us.